Two of them broke. The dog. It's like bit on it.
For which tree?
Like the one in my living room. Oh, golden rapier.
Yeah, that's like cool.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hi.
And have you finally taken the Unit 2 test yet?
For bio, you haven't done that yet?
Yeah, I was out that day, but I took it today.
Oh, I got a 24 out of 25 because I missed one of the ribosome one. What'd you get?
I got a 17 out of 25.
Oh, dang, man. You really need to study more. You know, we can, like, help you.
Yeah, but like, let's like not talk about that, you know? Have you guys seen the message I sent?
Is it another one of those AAA budget projects?
Yeah, but like, it's actually doable this time. Like, all we need are like a few cars, a few people, some
Okay.
cameras, you know?
Just tell me when you have the budget for that.
Look at this.
What's that?
We can make a game.
Honestly, it could be fun because this week's pretty slow anyway.
Yeah, if it's doable, I'm in.
I mean, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's not it. Is that it? No. That's it. That's it. That's the one. That's it.
So, you participating in the game jam?
Yeah, we're making a great game.
What type of game is it?
It's a brand new, never seen before type of game.
Seriously?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be the next big thing.
So which engine are we using to make the game?
Unity, right?
Yeah, that makes the most sense.
Oh. Okay.
Hey Jerry, what's up?
What's up?
I have a genius idea, alright?
What is it?
We have an explosion.
What?
An explosion, you know?
Why?
Why not? That's cool. Yeah, all I'm saying. You make it open world, that would make it so much more interesting.
How would you want me to do that?
I don't know, it's your job. So you know like Terraria, Hollow Knight, Undertale, Minecraft? It's gonna be bigger than all of them. Really? Yeah. Trust me, bro. It's gonna be the next big thing. It's great. Okay, but like... Alright, you know what? Just hear me out on this one.
Okay, what?
We add agriculture.
You know what?
Alright, sweet. I'm gonna tell Mia.
I'll get to work.
Mia? Mia? Mia?
Oh, hi Charlie.
Did you get any sketches for the game done yet?
So, about that, no.
Please work on it. And submitted.
Let's go.
See, I told you we could actually do it this time, guys.
I'm so glad it actually worked out, all the coding. I was worried at some parts that it would break.
Yeah, and it looks good too.
You did good on the art.
Thank you.
I'm proud of it.
Yeah.
Me too.
Put it over there.
Where?
On the
Bro,
side! On the side.